Hello, little yogis. I'm Braidy. Are you ready for a brand new adventure? Today, we are putting on our magic goggles and taking a deep sea dive. But wait, ta-da! Look at my hair! My magic ocean friend gave me a new style for our trip. Okay, take a big breath and let's jump in. Level 1, easy, little sea friends. Welcome to the shallow water. Let's start nice and easy. Seaweed stretch. Stand tall. Reach your arms up high. Oyster shell. Sit down, curl into a tiny ball, hide your pearl. Deep breath in and pop. Open up big. Jellyfish wiggle. Stand up. Let your arms hang down. Now, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like a silly jellyfish. Little fish swim. Lie on your tummy. Lift your arms and legs. Swim slowly, like a tiny fish. Baby turtle rest. Sit cross-legged, hands on your knees, close your eyes. Slow breath in and out. Great job, little yogi. Now let's go deeper. Level 2. Medium ocean explorers. Now we get a little stronger. Dolphin glide. Lie on your tummy. Lift your chest. Arms back. Glide like a dolphin. Starfish stretch. Stand wide. Arms and legs out. Stretch big like a starfish. Surfboard balance. Stand tall, lift one foot back, arms forward, balance like a surfer. Crab walk. Sit down, hands and feet on floor, lift your tummy up, walk like a crab. Stand still. Take a deep breath in, make a big bubble, blow it out slowly. Shh! You're doing amazing! Now, are you ready for a challenge? Level 3, hard ocean heroes. Let's go, ocean heroes. Seahorse balance. Stand on one leg, hands together, stay still, like a seahorse. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. You're doing amazing. 4, 5. You're doing amazing. Octopus pose. Hands down, lift your hips up. Shark power. Lie on your tummy, hands behind. Lift your chest, strong like a shark. Jumping dolphin. Stand tall, jump up softly, like a happy dolphin. Wave flow. Stand still, raise your arms up, slowly bring them down, like a calm ocean wave. Cool down. Now it's time to rest. Lie down on your back. Close your eyes. You are a peaceful whale floating in the ocean. Take a deep breath in and slowly out. You did amazing today. Don't forget, ask your mommy or daddy to press the subscribe button so we can go on more adventures together. I'll see you next time on Move with Braidy. Bye-bye.